Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing these videos. I absolutely love doing them. And today I'm going to be doing my first try-on haul. And I'm going to be showing the Bella jacket, the We.U swing dress, and our waffle knit, our long sleeve waffle knit in taupe. So I thought I would start with the Bella jacket first, since this is my personal favorite from the fall collection so far. I absolutely love it, and there's a reason why I actually went looking for this kind of jacket, and I mentioned it in our recent blog post detailing everything to know about this jacket. So if you want to take a read as to why I went looking for it, go check out the blog post. But to tell you guys a little bit about this, so hopefully you can kind of see just from me sticking up my arm here. It's a beautiful rose color, it's quilted, the lining is 100% polyester, and it just feels like it's a warm hug. It's lightweight, it's not heavy. It does have pockets on the side here, and they are reversible and they are nice and deep, and they do zip, so they will keep all your belongings safe. And it is reversible. This is one of the biggest features of this jacket. So not only are the pockets reversible, but you get a different color on the inside. This is a deep berry, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. It does not have a hood, but it does have this beautiful collar. You can zip it right up to your chin, and it's going to keep you nice and warm. So this is the deep berry. I thought I would just switch this around so I can show you guys. And I'm going to show you what it looks like zipped up. I am currently wearing a 2XL. Actually kind of like how it just kind of like hugs you, and I was wearing the Sweetest Thing waffle knit, our blush underneath, which we don't have right now, but you can pair our black or our taupe, which is this guy right here. So if you want to go hiking or you're going to the office, I mean, this jacket is just perfect for any occasion. I did want to mention that this jacket also goes from small to 3XL as well. If you've been following Beautifully You for a while now, you may have seen that we've brought in long sleeve and short sleeve waffle knits, and our long sleeve waffle knits are back in stock this fall. And today I thought I would show you guys an in-depth look at the colored taupe and the waffle knit design and the beautiful buttons. If you want to see 6 ways you can style this top, then head over to our blog post and click style guides, and it'll show you all of our style guides. One way that I love to wear these waffle knits, especially with romper, you know, you're working at home or maybe you're just taking the dog out for a walk. I mean, you can use our waffle knits as a cardigan for anything, but for today I'm wearing a romper, so I'm going to show you how it looks. Just simply unbutton it, and then you've got like this beautiful cardigan. Okay, so the last product that I'm going to show you is our We.U swing dress. It's a beautiful black and white, as you guessed it, dotted dress, and it's got a beautiful ruffle hem that kind of starts up at the hip and then goes all the way down just kind of like above your knee. I'm about 5'5", and this hits just above my knee. I love pairing this with my leopard print booties. You may have seen that picture already hit Instagram. And for those that are more curvier, because I know this can be a little bit boxy, is I've just taken a black belt from my closet, and I'm just going to tie it around, and that way this will accentuate the waist. So there is already one way that you can style this dress. I love wearing it with our blogger hat, which is a past stock item. And it's got 3/4 sleeves, and it's also made out of 100% polyester. Just a quick tip here for pretty much all of our clothes, like any clothes really, you want to, unless it says dry clean only, throw it in the wash on cold, on delicate. Do not dry. But do not put it in the dryer. Hang dry all of your clothes, especially this dress, because you do not want it to shrink or get damaged while it's in the wash. And I'm wearing a 1XL. This dress does fit true to size, and I actually have I have a bigger chest than most people, so this fits me. So there you guys have it, the intro to our fall collection, just a little try on haul, just to show you guys a little bit up close of how our products look, you know, more descriptive on, you know, how it fits me, the sizing, and all the info about that. So if you guys have any questions about the product, leave a question in the comment section below or send me an email. I'll leave my email down in the description, or you can send me a direct message on Instagram as well. If you guys like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like it and hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified of more videos like this and more clothing try-on hauls of future collections. Until next time, guys, thank you.